38 gauge and this template that you're going to make, you can go ahead and bring in the sides. And then once you've gotten them brought in a little bit more than what they were, then you can use your, I like to use this retractable clover. It takes 5 needles, but I've only put 3 in because I don't want to get the wool too firm. So that's what it's looking like right now. I can tell that it can go in a little bit more. So I'm going to bring it in a little bit more with the 38 gauge needle before I start forming it. So I know this is going to have a lot of shrinkage. So what I do is I come to about a ½ inch down in approximate center, and then I take the template and I start bringing all this in. I'll go ahead and do that for you. And then taking this arch here and bringing this one side in. Later on, after I do the other arch, but I'm going to skip that part and show you, then I'll use this edge right here, and I know that's the point. And then I can start bringing this also inside to the middle. So I'll do this one side so you can start seeing it form. But there's still a lot of air in here. So we want it puffy, but we also want it firm. So we'll continue to use this template to bring the part of the wool down and also firm it up a little bit. Remembering to do both sides. So we'll go ahead and bring in the middle on the other side. Shape the heart, the arch of the heart. And then we're going to flip this template over to get this side. Then come back over. And that's what we're going to keep doing. Keep shaping it. We can go like this now. It's going to start bulking up on the edges, and we'll take care of that. See? But all we do is just take our multiple two, and continue to shape, and we'll do this side. And just keep going, which I'll continue on. but you get an idea. So let me go a little further in. I'll be right back. Starting to shape up, and we just keep doing it. If it starts to puff up too much, we have to bring it back down. And we just use this. Just make sure that and periodically always look at your needles to make sure that they're intact. But you just keep going back and forth. Until you get it shaped and it starts to form. And right here, all we need to do is keep bringing it in because there's still a lot of air there. And we can switch over to a finer needle here. Bring it in. A lot of air still yet inside the heart. Pull it down. Go around if you need to bring down some of that air. And then to soften the sides, let's bring it like this. It will come and all this will be removed. Like that, and it starts to clean up. You can also do it like this. Protecting your fingers. And bringing it in this way. Safety first. That's what makes it enjoyable. So that's how we form a heart using this template. Right now, it's at 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So I'll clean it up a little bit more and remove the fuzz and show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when you clean it up a little bit. Beginning of the heart. And just clean it up. You can always take some of the wool and fill up spaces. Just fluff the wool up first. And then you can take areas like if you don't want it to go any smaller, you can fill this little indentation up with some of the wool. And just bring it in. And if you're worried about your fingers, just use the template. You can bring it in that way as well. Hope this helps you make lots of hearts at a lot faster pace using this little template. And if you do use it, just share my channel out as to where you was inspired from, and I'd appreciate that. Have yourself a wonderful day, and stay crafty. God bless. Bye for now.